How to receive or send money on Skrill. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To receive or send money, let's go ahead and follow this simple step. If you are a recipient, firstly make sure you have a Skrill account. If not, go ahead and create one. After which you need to share your Skrill details, that is the email address or your Skrill username. Then the sender can transfer the money directly to your Skrill account. If you are a sender and if you want to transfer to a bank account, log into your Skrill, then tap on the send option. Select money transfer and tap on bank account. Select the country and currency, also the bank in which you wish to transfer. Enter the amount and payment method along with your personal detail and the recipient detail. Confirm the amount and review the details. Then confirm the payment. If you are trying to transfer the money into your mobile wallet, choose the money transfer option to send to a mobile. Select a country and currency. Same as before, enter the amount, payment method, your detail, recipient detail, and confirm the amount and press on the send button. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.